guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another planner sticker haul. It's been a really long time since I've done a planner sticker haul, but it's because I haven't really been planner inspired. But I started my new planner this year, so I have a brand new Erin Condren planner, and I've really been trying to keep up with my weekly spreads, trying to make sure that everything is nice and put together. So I kind of re-inspired myself and I went on a little bit of a sticker bender. All of these stickers are from my favorite planner sticker shop, which is the Glam Planner, ran by Miss L. Fowler. I will link it down below. I also have one kit from Scribble Prints Co, which is another kind of recently discovered planner shop that I am starting to love just as much as Glam Planner. So I thought I'd go through this really quick and show you what I got. Okay, so first off, I got a Glitchy Glam kit, and this is actually, this might have been a Misfits kit, so not a glitch kit, meaning these stickers aren't cut wrong. There's nothing wrong with them. It's just they were kind of like leftovers and she threw them in a grab bag. So I was a little bit disappointed because I have gotten almost all of these in a glitch kit before. So slight disappointment there, but I'm gonna go ahead and go through this really quickly. I think there's no, not 30 pages. It was $30. I think there's 10 pages. So this little deco sheet I have had before. It's really cute, but I don't need another one. Full square boxes. These are really pretty. In fact, I think these are September colors. I think September is purple. Yeah, September is purple, so that will actually go pretty well with September. Same here for like the monthly sampler. This I think looks exactly like what she created for September. So the colors, everything looks really similar. I got some washi, so it is really nice that I got pretty much a full kit there. I mean, I got full square boxes, washi, and then like deco I can make a kit with. All I need is like checklist boxes, you know, for the top. So that's pretty cool. Then I got this, which looks very similar to this. I think these were May colors. I think so. Same thing. I got the full square boxes, the like sampler deco sheet, and the washi. So all I need now are little check boxes. This is really cute. I'm actually pretty glad that I got this. So this was from her Summer Nights Dream Kit, which I do have. I just haven't used it yet. Let me see if I can pull it out over here. Yeah, so this gives me like some extra deco to use with this kit, maybe even spread it to 2 weeks instead of 1 week. So I don't mind getting that. The tribal print is so pretty, but I didn't get this tribal kit. I have the tribal chic kit, which I showed in my last planner haul. It looks like this, you can see it right there. So this won't match with that, but I'm sure I'll find something to use with it. This is really pretty, but again, I don't have anything that this will go with. This was from her like camping or glamping kit, which I did not buy, but it is really cute. And then some extra washi. So these 4 sheets I'm kind of like meh, actually 5 sheets I'm kind of like meh, but the other ones I'm okay with getting. I don't think I'm gonna buy any more of these like grab bags. Maybe the glitch kits I'll buy because those are really discounted, but I don't think I'm gonna buy any more grab bags because I was a little bit disappointed with this one. Now on to the full weekly kits. So I do have one from Scribble Prints Co, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, there's 2 there. 9 from Glam Planner. So I'm gonna go through these real quick. First one here was actually what she was calling her wedding kit. This is the first kit that Glam Planner made that was 6 pages long instead of 5 pages long. So the full square boxes I think are just so incredibly beautiful. I don't have any weddings coming up anytime soon, but I think you can use this for like non-wedding weeks too. Here's the checklist boxes, again, so stinking pretty. The deco, and then these are like full sheets that you would use to cover up like your whole weekend. So for example, you would use them to like cover up full days instead of doing check boxes and stuff. Because if you're getting married, you're probably not going to have a whole lot to do other than get married. Here's the half square boxes, and then kind of like the functional stackable things. So there's that. The littles, the headers, my camera's not in focus, there we go. And then the bottom bar washi. I think this is one of the prettiest kits ever. I'm thinking about saving it for when there is a wedding, you know, I don't know, at some point in time that I'm going to, family, friends, whatever. But if not, I will definitely still use it. It's not going to waste. The next kit is one that I was really on the fence about, and I really was not going to buy it. but I ended up getting a glitch kit version of it, so it was a little bit discounted. It was like $5 cheaper. So it is really cute. Now that I see it in person, I'm like in love with it. I think it's so cute. I love the pastel, like pastel-y colors. You can tell by the color of my nails. I love pastel, like mint colors and peaches and stuff like that. But this was called the, I think it's called the Aloha kit. I don't really know, but super duper cute, really fun for summer. So those are the full square boxes. Here's the checklists. So nice and cute, little mint green. Here's the deco and the half square boxes. And look at this stackable sidebar. I think it's so cute with the little pineapple. Love it. The littles and the headers, I love this color pink. It's almost like a purpley, like Pepto-Bismol pink. I love it. And then here's the washi. So I got 2 of these because I got one in my grab bag over here. Where is it? There it is. So that's the kit that it's from. I don't think I'll need 2 washies, but yep, that's what it's from. Next up is her Waldorf, I think is what she calls it. I never watched, I think it's Gossip Girl, I don't know. But this kit, I bought it during her pre-sale and I am so stinking in love with it. These, by the way, are like little freebies that come with all the kits. So this is so pretty. I just love it. I think it's so like tea time, like I don't know, I think I'm gonna use this in my plan with me for next week. So pretty. I love the girl with the giant bow and the macaroons and the tea. I love the colors. I think it's so stinking pretty. So there's the full square boxes. Here's the check boxes, so matches perfectly. The half square, the functional. I did finally figure out what this is for. I didn't know what that sticker was for. It's an appointment sticker, so you put like the time there and then where you're going. Good to know, right? Here's the deco, and then these are new to her kits, her new like formatted kits. So you have these like do these, clean these, buy these, go here. I don't really like the font on those, I'll be honest, but I do like these icon stickers. That was one of the things that I really liked about Scribble Prints Co. was she had these little circle icon stickers. So I like that. I love the deco. I think it's so stinking pretty. Here's your headers, your littles, your weekend banner, and then love that washi. So this is one of my favorite kits so far. I cannot wait to use it. I'm gonna leave this out because I'm gonna use it next. This next kit is definitely very summer, very fun. I got this one a little while ago, actually. I don't think it's available in her shop anymore. Bummer, but I think it was in like May that I bought this. I'm not really too sure, but it is super cute. So the pineapples, like the glitter, I just think it's really cute. Every summer has its own story, so definitely a summer kit. Full square boxes, check boxes, the deco, I mean, look at that. I love it. The half square boxes, the littles, the headers, the weekend banner, and then the matte washi. I don't really like this right here, like the gold. It just looks like, I don't know, I don't like that style. But this kit is not my favorite kit of the bunch, but I do really like it. You can see this one has 5 pages, whereas the other one had 6 pages, so you can see like the transition in her 5 to 6 page kits. This is another kit that was purchased a little while ago. This was her Bachelorette kit. So for her Bachelorette party, she made a special kit and then she sold it to everybody. So again, I don't have a Bachelorette party coming up soon. I don't have a 21st birthday coming up soon, but this would be good for like a girls' night out or whatever. So Fiesta, Siesta, Tequila, Repeat. I love the colors. It's just so stinking fun. These full square boxes, they touch my heart. I love the pinks and the mint. It's not mint, it's like teal seafoam color. I love it. This deco, so stinking cute. So yeah, there's a ring and it says fiance, but you can always leave that out, you know, if you were using it for something other than a Bachelorette kit. These headers, I love this purple for the littles. Love it. Weekend banner. And then look at the matte washi. Look at that. So cute. Next kit is her Peacock kit. I can't remember if this one is 5 or 6 pages. There is a price increase, by the way, for anybody who is curious with the reformat. So I know a lot of people are like up in arms about that, but I mean, whatever. So it's only like $2 more. But anyways, this is so pretty. This is another one where I was like, I waited till the last minute to purchase it because I was kind of on the fence, and I'm really glad I bought it. It's so stinking pretty. So it does look very peacocky. The colors are just, I love this like green. I mean, obviously based on my nail color, but full square boxes. Here's the full square checklists. The deco, so there's a peacock, so pretty. The half square boxes, the stackable sidebars. Look at this. I love it. I love it so much. The headers, the littles, the weekend banner, and then the washi. So this kit is one that surprised me as well. I'm glad I bought it. I wasn't going to originally buy it, but I'm glad I bought it. This kit may look familiar to you guys. I actually think I did a plan with me with this, but she reintroduced this to her shop recently because it is very, like, I think it goes with August colors, I think. Yeah, August is like yellowy. Here's what August looks like. So there's what August looks like. So it definitely does match with like the green and the yellow. This reminds me so much of Kate Spade. I forget what she calls this kit, but I call it the Kate Spade kit. So here's the full square boxes, the full square checklists, the half square boxes, stackable sidebar, the headers, littles, weekend banner, and then the washi. So I'm actually really glad she reintroduced this kit because I really liked it. Downside is there isn't any deco, and I really, really like the deco. This kit was the July mystery kit from Glam Planner. I think it was July. So it came with a little notebook and it's sticking. It came with the notebook and then this washi right here. So I'm not a big fan of the washi. I honestly think it's kind of cheap feeling. So that's a bummer, but here's the kit. So the deco is so pretty. It's a Wonderlust, I don't know. Traveler theme. So the deco is so cute. This would be perfect for like a trip. I don't have any trips planned as of right now, but really cute for when I do. Here's your sidebar stuff, your half square boxes. I wonder why she does like little mini sheets. I don't know. These full square boxes are so pretty. I love the blue and the gold together. Like that's kind of how her wedding kit has that same vibe. Here it is right here. Like it's just kind of the same like color scheme where it's like the blue and the gold and the pinks together. I really like that. So there's the full square boxes. Here's the check square boxes, full square, check, I don't know, checklist, you know what I mean. The headers, there's that gold again. I don't like that gold at all. It's like, it's not even faux glitter. It just looks like wrinkled up saran wrap. I don't like it. The littles, I think these are gonna be a little bit too dark to write on. You'll definitely have to use a black pen. And then the bottom bar washi and the matte washi. So again, it's not my favorite kit, but it is really pretty. I do love the color scheme. Next up is the kit she calls Sleepy, I think, or like Sleepy Time. This was so cute. I saw this and I knew immediately I needed it. It's just, I don't know. I just think it's so cute. My one gripe is that the deco is the exact same as what the full square boxes are. So usually I end up putting my deco on top of my full square boxes, but if the design is exactly the same as the full square boxes, like I don't really know how I'm gonna use the deco. And when you look at like a full spread, I mean, the stickers fill up your whole planner. It's really, really hard to find a spot to throw deco in there unless it's on top of your full square boxes or like up here on the bottom washi. So that's my one gripe about it, is I wish she would have thrown some variants in the deco, but I don't know, maybe that's asking too much. So here's the full square checklist boxes, check boxes. I love like the pink and the yellow, I love that. Your half boxes, your sidebar stuff, your header, your washi, your headers, your littles, weekend banner, and then washi. I love this washi. It's so cute. That little cat is so cute. So definitely very cute. I love the pastels. Pastels always draw me in. They're my favorite. Last but definitely not least is this kit from Scribble Prints Co. So I think this was her July mystery kit. I am not subscribed to Scribble Prints Co.'s mystery kits, but she does put them in her shop as well. So I was lucky enough to be able to grab one. This is the full kit. So little mini deco here. I don't know if this was like a freebie or what, but it looks like it matches the full-size deco up there. Really, really cute. This always comes in the Scribble Prints Co. kit. So you have like your marquee, movie marquee, nails, cleaning things, stuff like that. This is another kit that seems to be consistent with Scribble Prints Co. So you have your weekend banner, your check like line checklist, your quote, the deco, to do, to clean, little flags. This also reminds me of Kate Spade. Like I love the lines and the dots and the lipstick. The lipstick is what drew me in the mascara. Of course, right? Here's your half square boxes and then your sidebar. Here's the icons I was telling you about that Scribble Prints Co has that I really, really like. So very cool. I love the sunglasses. I love this kit. It's so cute. You have headers and then littles right here. Again with the dark blue. I don't know how I'm going to be able to write on that, but we'll see. Her ombre heart checklist. I like that her checklists are ombre. I just think it adds a little bit of flavor to the kit. Here's your full square boxes. I love these shoes. I love this. I think it's so cute. And then the washi right here. This washi reminds me of my old planner, like the cover, if you guys remember it. So I still think that Scribble Prints Co kits have more stickers, more functional type stickers, but you get a lot of extra and they're more expensive. I think Scribble Prints Co kits are $30, whereas Glam Planners are right around like $25. So I don't know, you get some, you lose some, whatever. So yeah, that is my haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned because tomorrow I do have a plan with me going up. I think I'm gonna use the Waldorf kit. I definitely think I'm actually, yeah, for sure I'm gonna use this. So plan with me will be featuring this kit right here, and then if I'm feeling up to it, I'm gonna film another plan with me right after that. So stay tuned for more planner videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!